Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine.
On 5 Series models, the airbox is mounted on top of the engine. This needs to be removed to gain access to the rail and boost sensors. Disconnect the 2 air duct pipes attached to the airbox. The airbox should now lift off.
The rail pressure sensor is located here. The boost sensor is located here. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. If you have any questions, please contact us.